Hi, in this video we are going to have a look at the most demanded feature of multiple discount, how to enable multiple discount. Let's go to settings, template settings. In template settings we go to item table, there is option enable multiple discount, enable it, and then there is option display multiple discount in single column, disable it. Then there are discount, how many discount you want to give, discount 1, 2, 3, you can change their name like cash discount, trade discount, any kind of discount you want to give, like for example trade discount, another one cash discount, and maybe the third one special discount. So you can give any name, you can change the label. So first you have to go to setting, template setting, item table, enable multiple discount, give the name whatever you want and save it. Very simple. Let's make an invoice now. And go to sales, create invoice. I am going to add item, say for example atta. I have typed some rate 500 rupees, and then there is new option multiple discount. It will open a new window. You can give the discount over there. You want to give the in percentage or a flat amount, you can give as per your choice. I am giving 10% plus 20% plus 5% for example. So I have given multiple discount in percentage, 10% plus 20 plus 5%. Okay, let's add one more item, and this time I have typed the rate, and let's go to the multiple discount. I am typing the discount over here. I am typing the flat discount. So 10% plus 20 rupees plus 5 rupees. So in first example I have typed all the discount in the percentage. In second, first one in percentage, other in the flat discount. There can be flat and percentage. So I have taken both the examples. I am not going to type the text, you know how to add the text, so that's very simple. Let's view the invoice. Let's view the invoice. So yes, now it is coming very nicely. Trade discounts in separate column, cash discount in separate column, special discount in separate column. So yes, you can add multiple discount now in sale, purchase, sale return, multiple discount in percentage as well as in flat amount. So both the options are there. It's your choice how you want to type the discount, how you want to give the discount, and that's a totally flexible. You can change, you want to rename, you can change the labels in setting, template settings. You can change the label. You can also display in single column. If you don't want to display 3 different columns, no problem. You view the invoice, you can view in single column as well. So all the flexibility we have given in this update for multiple discount. You can display in multiple columns, you can display in single column, you can change the name, you can even change the width of the column. Yes, that's a by default 80, you can change the width to 100, 200, whatever you want, or reduce it. So we have given all the flexibility in multiple discount. That's a new feature. If you have some query, you can always write to us at support@bookkeeperapp.net. Thank you very much.